So we are back on the banks of the Bow River today to visit my latest listing. We are back to the Crossbow complex, but this time we're in Crossbow Pointe. It's a 40+ building, and we're going to go see a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom corner unit. It's over 1,200 square feet. It's got underground parking as well as an underground storage locker and an amazing amenity building. Let's go and take a look. So as soon as you walk into this unit, you've got this spacious entryway with a hall closet. On my left, you've got a large laundry room as well as lots of storage in there. And then you come out into this main living space. And the main living space has this corner aspect, which gives you all of these large view windows that, as you can see, lets in some beautiful natural sunlight and backs onto some very private trees. The open plan main floor has this spacious living room. It's got a gas fireplace with Rondo rocks surround, and being a corner unit, you get 2 decks. So just to my left, we've got this sunny south-facing deck with peekaboo views of Three Sisters, and then we've also got this sort of north-facing deck that features the private environmental reserve just behind this complex. So check out this kitchen. It's one of the largest kitchens I've seen in the Crossbow complex, and it looks out over your dining room and living space. So when you're entertaining guests, you're still part of that conversation as you're preparing the meals. It's got lots of storage, lots of drawer space, as well as a walk-in pantry. So you've got tons of storage in this condo. Let's talk about Crossbow Pointe for just 1 second. It is a 40+ building. This condo itself has over 1,200 square feet, and the complex has one of the best amenity buildings we've seen in Canmore. It's got indoor pools, an indoor-outdoor hot tub, media room, workout room, as well as games room, and we'll show you that just at the end of this video. So we've got 9-foot ceilings throughout this apartment, and the primary suite backs onto the environmental reserve. So you've got some nice privacy with views of trees just out the back. And then we also have a 4-piece ensuite washroom with a walk-in closet, and the washroom includes a separate stand-up shower and soaker tub. So we've got a large 2nd bedroom in this unit. It's got some beautiful natural light coming through this window again, a large double closet, and it easily fits a queen bed. As you can see, we've got these queen bunk beds in here. It's perfect for entertaining. The seller is actually willing to sell all the furniture with the condo, so this is perfect if you've got guests coming for the weekend. And then it access just behind you there to its own 4-piece washroom. This side of the Crossbow complex has one of the best amenity buildings in Canmore. This level has a nice quiet seating area, reading room, this incredible River Rock gas fireplace that is the mainstay of the room. Upstairs we have a party room that can be rented out by any of the residents, and then we've got pool tables and a shuffleboard table. And then on this level as well, we've got a boardroom, meeting room that can be rented out, a movie theater room that can be booked, and then just to the back off to my left is the indoor pool, indoor-outdoor hot tub, steam room, sauna room, and fitness center. As always, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this property or any other property in Canmore, my contact information is just below. And please don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great video content coming in the next few weeks.